So for the first method, we're going to right click on the Windows Start icon in the bottom left, then head over to Device Manager. Once we're on it, we're going to expand monitors, and then you might have integrated monitor or PNP monitor, something like that. Once you see it, just right click on it and then click on Update Driver, and then click on Search automatically for drivers. If the best drivers have already been installed, we'll move on to the second method. Right click on the monitor again, head over to Update Driver, and this time click on Browse My Computer for drivers, and then click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Once you're on it, you might have multiple ones right here. You want to just try all of them. So first, we'll try the first one, then click on Next. If that doesn't work, try the second one, click on Next, third one, click on Next, etc. For the third method, we're actually going to head over into Display Adapters, and then your graphics card should appear, and then you want to click on Update, and then do the exact same method that I showed you for the first two. So search automatically first, and if it's been installed, then browse my computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list, and then try to do all of the ones that appear, and click on Next, and follow all the steps. For the next step, head over to Search and type in Check for Updates, click on it. Once you're on it, make sure that you do all the updates in your Windows fully updated. Now for 99% of people, all these methods would have worked, but if it hasn't, then just leave a comment below and I'll try to help you even further.